Chainsaws roaring wood flying. Sparks igniting. Get ready for the fastest firewood processes. And the most dangerous big chainsaws in action. This is the ultimate wood cutting experience. Forget slow manual log splitting. The hobby pilfer according to a product of finished engineering. Leaves the competition in the dust, while other processors struggle. Easy 42's dual-cylinder hydraulics deliver a crushing 13.2 tons of force, automatically adapting to logs up to 15.7 inches thick. Want more control? Choose from 6, 8, or 12 wave splitting wedges. Competitors simply can't match. This combination of power, precision, and versatility is $20,500 too much. Compared to others, it's a bargain. You're facing a mountain of timber, but it might as well be a molehill. Why? Because you're at the helm of the Albach Giant 2000, a beast with a 790 horsepower man hard concrete for wood. Its adjustable cabin is your personal command center, offering panoramic as you orchestrate the effortless chipping process. This isn't just a machine, it's an extension of your will, devouring the toughest wood with the roar of a lion. This gas-powered monster conquers any landscape. Are you ready to experience? Wood chipping like never before. Holy smokes, 22 tons of splitting force. This homemade log splitter is an absolute marvel of engineering. Powered by a power takeoff, it obliterates oak logs. We're talking 3.5 by 3.5 inch. Pieces of perfectly split wood. In seconds. And get this, it's built like a tank with safety features that will blow your mind. This is no ordinary splitter, it's a game changer. Picture this. You're deep in the woods surrounded by towering trees. Your mission: harvest timber efficiently. Enter the Highlander HL10-2. This four-wheel drive workhorse effortlessly navigates the uneven terrain. Its hydraulic differential lock keeping it steady. The short wheelbase and versatile steering to wheel for wheel crab allow it to dance around obstacles. With the HL10-2, you're not just harvesting wood. You're mastering the forest. Feel the power, experience the control.
Відеоогляд на дровокол. Автономний дровокол.
Holy smokes! Check out this awesome homemade log splitter.
Ремена передача.
With its space-saving vertical design, it's way easier on your back.
Разом з муфтою тут плита на плиті.
So you can kiss those post-splitting aches goodbye.
Якого закріплена муфта.
The only minor gripe is that it can be a real pain to hoist those logs up onto it. A log lift would be a killer addition to this bad boy. Maximize your output with the Author Rotos 60 6G09. This Swiss-made Firewood processor is engineered for maximum efficiency. Its robust 28-ton hydraulic system and powerful 65-kilowatt diesel engine swift process logs up to 25.6 inches in diameter and 19.7 feet long, drastic reducing processing time. The integrated winch and customizable splitting wedges streamline your workflow, ensuring high productivity. Want to make your life easier and your woodpile bigger? The New Holland TD5010 tractor and an automated circular firewood saw are a match made in heaven. This friendly duo makes processing firewood a breeze, turning out around 5 cords per hour. Spend less time chopping and more time enjoying the warmth of your fire. Let's make firewood simple.
Сосновый пенек, у него диаметр почти 40 сантиметров. Если его расколют, то я думаю расколют. Их дальше.
Say goodbye to the hassle of firewood prep. The Posh Sportfix ST80 is here to make your life easier. This user-friendly machine does it all: cutting, splitting, and loading. The powerful Whittier circular saw cuts through wood like butter. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create a winter's worth of firewood. The Spalfix S2800 is perfect for anyone who wants a wood fire. Without the backbreaking wood, Holy smokes fit a load of the Prime Tech PT600. The absolute beast of a mulching machine. This tracked monster packs a 600 horsepower. Cummins engine and intelligent hydraulics. We're talking for 2,500 pounds of raw power. People forget those delicate California almond orchards. The PT600 makes mulch out of anything, anywhere. It's agile, it's efficient, and it's got the cooling system to handle the toughest jobs. Get ready to dominate. Let's be honest. Chopping wood is a pain in the well everywhere. But what if I told you there's a better way? The Halverson HWP-14 0B with its ridiculously powerful hydraulics makes splitting wood easier than ordering takeout. Seriously, this thing could probably teach a lumberjack a thing or two. So ditch the axe, grab an HWP-14 0B and spend your time enjoying the fire, not fighting with the log. That's both powerful and easy to use. The Bandit 2 550T remote controlled stump grinder is your answer. Its remote operation enhances safety and control, while the driven design tackles difficult terrain. This machine's efficient grinding wheels saves you time and labor on every project. The 255OT is a reliable high-performance machine. Priced right at $34,950, a solid investment for any job. The Timber Pro 8. 3OD is a game changer in the forestry world. This beast boasts a full 360 degrees of non-stop cavitation, letting you grab, maneuver, and place timber like a pro. Need to switch from harvesting to loading? No problem, the 8. 3OD plays nice with a massive range of attachments, making it the ultimate do-it-all machine power. Precision. It's got it all. This bad boy is built to dominate the forest, and trust me, it delivers. at this Ponzi Scorpion, and you know it's something special. It's like they took the best of nature and engineering and put it together that powerful harvester head. The way that cabin moves, it's all about getting the job done. Safely and efficiently, this machine just speaks to you. You know. Ah yes, a classic log drive. Observe how those massive trucks laden with timber converge at the staging area on Snets Lake. This is where the real action begins. Each log is meticulously deposited into the water, where they'll form a vast raft, embarking on an arduous journey to the mills. The Ecolog 590D, it's a beast. 20,000 pounds of pure power and that log mass. 7,000 head. Surgical precision. You're talking maximum efficiency. Minimal waste. This isn't just harvesting timber. This is an art form. Want to see the cockpit? Folks, let's face it, dealing with tree stumps is a pain. But with the Green Tech Piranha, it's a walk in the park. This machine is engineered for efficiency with a cutting edge. Grinding head that obliterates stumps of any size. Trust me, as an arborist with 20 years of experience, this is the real deal. Let's be honest, splitting firewood can be a real pain. But with the Dowland mask in 2054, it's actually enjoyable. This machine does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what matters. Getting that firewood ready for those cozy winter nights. And at $5,500, it's a small price to pay. for the peace of mind it brings. Check out the TDT55 struggling in the mud. Its tracks are spinning like crazy. Can you see it the more it bites? The messier it gets, what would you do to help it out? Breaking news from the Netherlands. A Royal Netherlands Army truck carrying a 60-ton leopard tank crashed into a sound barrier on the A12 near Reykjavik. This dramatic accident caused by a blown tire. LED to a massive cleanup with 2 heavy-duty cranes. The driver had minor injuries, but the damage is extensive, underscoring the risks of transporting oversized military equipment. Ever seen a truck take a nap? This Kamaz did luckily. The excavator was there for a wake-up call, lifting it back on its feet. Again. BV206ELO, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle. No matter the terrain, this powerhouse effortlessly navigates through every obstacle without a hitch. Never underestimate the extraordinary power of that small tow truck in treacherous and challenging terrain. It pushes forward with incredible strength. Applaud the driver and their efforts. Bravo! The cross to 1 for battle through a sandy 6x6 terrain, and after numerous efforts, the truck finally triumphed.
Всем привет, с вами агроном. Сегодня мы раздвигаем кучи зимние, пробуем.
The engine roars continuously as the tractor gets stuck in the dirt. On the ice, there's no way out.
С тобой долго тратить, сегодня день хороший.
The Kirvetsky 700 towers to TAT R8813s. The brutal roar of the engines assaults everyone's eardrums, but the rescue operation ends successfully. The S950 truck got stuck in the rock on the muddy forest road, with its wheels spinning helplessly in the mud. This team has amazing teamwork. It's like a well-oiled machine. Let's watch the process of unloading a heavy boulder. From a truck, the machine inches backward, gradually without the aid of a ram, and smoothly touches down. When you need reliable performance in challenging environments, like crossing rivers, the TT4 is your go-to. Its rugged build and water-resistant features ensure that even in I am witnessing a walking house, but a crane stands tall and then boom. The house bumps into the crane's belly, and it collapses to the ground. Yeah, sure. Yeah, when attempting to lift an 8,000-pound Hester forklift with a 5,000-pound capacity Caterpillar forklift, you're dealing with a significant overcapacity issue. Even if the machine attempts to lift, it's bound to fail due to the limitations of its hydraulic system and structural design. Okay. No way that little K5 shouldn't be able to pull that. Massive Mark truck, but it is. Talk about defying expectations. In a dramatic display of power and precision, the Eke Volvo EC210 Swamp Excavator is hard at work, unloading from a trailer, despite the challenging and perilous descent. Our skilled operator maneuvers with exceptional expertise, ensuring the job gets done safely. ATT. Protractor got stuck in the forest while hauling wood. Its track slipped now. A rescue team is on site, ready to get the machine back on track. Simple fix the problem. Move the machine, it's time to get to work. Small in size, but the power unbelievable. This car is no joke.
О, нормально, полетели. Ого. Ничего будет. Да.
Prepare for an adrenaline-pumping ride as a colossal truck tackles an incredible, nearly vertical incline. Watch in as the truck comes dangerously close to tipping over at crucial moments, showcasing the driver's bravery and skill as they navigate this perilous, challenging terrain. Oh, a truck packed with logs and a tractor. Crossing the river, it's like a balancing act on water. Challenges come and go, but Kamaz, it just keeps on conquering. Like a true legend of the road. The Kirov's K701. Deep plow seems capable of tackling any terrain.